New bird today, guys. Lovely pink-eyed cock, lutino, all the way from Belgium. Cracking bird. Ex-show bird. Goldfinch cock there. Another goldfinch cock. Getting fit in the double breeders. Red-eyed, yellow dimorphic, and canary hen. Red pollen for some hybrids. Red dimorphic, which to be honest I think it could be poorly that. It's going a little bit light. Bought this as an hen, it's turned out to be a cock. A bit gutted really, but I'm going to swap it. Harlequin, so that will be an harlequin hen when I get it swapped back. Lovely goldfinch cock. There's the main one. So I'm what lines all my ends. So a nice good clean out. Cannot wait for breeding season to come along. Lovely split red eye, just sold him though, don't want too many cocks. Split red eye. That's that. Sounds like storms are arriving. Close the shed up now. Now they've all had a good clean. And that's that. We're all on breeding season. Loads of spur cages there from young uns. Oh yes.